Does your mind wander easily? Do you start a task, then somehow end up scrolling TikTok for 30 minutes? Or maybe you read a whole page but can't remember a single sentence? If you've been struggling to stay focused, concentrate, or think clearly, today I'm sharing 3 incredible brain herbs that have been used for centuries to boost memory, sharpen attention, and help your mind feel more energized and awake. These herbs are natural, scientifically studied, and surprisingly easy to add to your daily routine. Let's talk about Ginkgo Biloba, Rosemary, and Brahmi, and how they can revive your brain power, like flipping on a mental light switch. Welcome back to Nature Life Remedy, your home for natural health tips, herbal remedies, and science-backed wellness secrets. If you want to think clearly, stay focused longer, and boost your cognitive performance naturally, this video is for you. Let's dive deeper into these powerful brain herbs. Why we lose focus. Before we dive into the herbs, let's answer this question. Why is staying focused so hard? Here are some common reasons. Mental overload, stress and anxiety, sleep deprivation, poor nutrition, too much screen time, a racing mind. Your brain needs oxygen, blood flow, and neurotransmitter balance to stay sharp. And that's where today's herbs come in. They support the brain at a cellular level, helping you stay present and mentally energized. Ginkgo Biloba, the brain circulation booster. Imagine a herb that literally increases blood flow to your brain. That's Ginkgo Biloba, one of the oldest living tree species in the world. How ginkgo helps focus, boosts blood flow to brain cells, improves oxygen supply, enhances memory and mental clarity, helps fight brain fog, contains antioxidants that protect neurons. Studies show that ginkgo may help improve attention span, especially during long hours of work or studying. Ginkgo capsules, ginkgo tea, liquid extract. Typical dosage, 120 to 240 milligrams per day, depending on product. Have you ever tried ginkgo? Did you notice a difference? Rosemary, the wake up your mind herb. If you've ever smelled rosemary and suddenly felt more awake, that's not your imagination. Rosemary has been shown to boost alertness, memory, and concentration within minutes. Why rosemary works: improves brainwave activity, increases alertness, enhances working memory, reduces mental fatigue. Some research even shows that simply smelling rosemary essential oil can improve cognitive performance. How to use rosemary for focus. Drink rosemary tea. Add rosemary to meals. Use rosemary essential oil for aromatherapy. Diffuse rosemary oil in your work area. Apply diluted rosemary oil to temples or wrists. Brain tea. Idea: hot water plus fresh rosemary plus lemon plus honey. Drink before study or work sessions. Would you try a rosemary focus diffuser while working? Brahmi, Bacopa Monnieri, the memory and learning. Herb Brahmi, also known as Bacopa Monnieri, is a superstar herb in Ayurvedic medicine. It's been used for centuries to support memory, calm the mind, and improve mental performance. What makes Brahmi powerful? Enhances communication between neurons, supports learning and long-term memory, reduces stress and anxiety, helps with mental endurance, improves recall speed. In fact, several modern studies show that Brahmi improves memory formation, processing speed, and attention span. How to use Brahmi: capsules or tablets. Brahmi tea. Brahmi powder mixed with warm water or milk. Herbal blends with ashwagandha and turmeric best taken in the morning, as Brahmi helps mental performance throughout the day. Have you heard of Brahmi before, or is this your first time? How these herbs work together. If you really want maximum brain support, you can combine these herbs for different cognitive benefits. Ginkgo Biloba increases blood flow and alertness. Rosemary boosts immediate focus and memory. Brahmi supports long-term learning and calm focus. Think of it like ginkgo wakes up the brain, rosemary energizes it, Brahmi organizes it. Some herbal blends even use all 3 herbs for maximum focus and mental clarity. How to build a daily focus ritual. Here's a simple daily routine you can try. Morning, Brahmi supplement or tea. Helps set the tone for the entire day. Afternoon, Rosemary aromatherapy, instant boost for midday slump. Evening study or work session, Ginkgo Biloba supplement, supports concentration and blood flow. Tips to maximize results. Drink enough water, reduce screen time before bed, add omega-3 rich foods, take short breaks during long work sessions. These herbs are natural, but certain people should avoid them. Avoid or consult a professional if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, are on blood thinners, especially with ginkgo, have epilepsy, Brahmi may interact, have allergies to these herbs, are taking multiple prescription medicines. Always start with a small dose to see how your body reacts. If your mind feels scattered, foggy, or unfocused, these herbs can offer a safe, natural, and effective way to support clarity, memory, and concentration. Now tell me in the comments, which herb are you most excited to try? Ginkgo, rosemary, or Brahmi? If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to Nature Life Remedy, turn on notifications, share this video with someone who needs better focus and mental clarity. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay natural, and stay focused.